in physics, mechanical properties of fluids under that flotation. So we'll talk about flotation. When a body is immersed in a liquid, then two forces act on it. What are they? They are the weight of the body, the W vertically downwards. Second force is the upthrust or the force of buoyancy, that is buoyancy of the liquid, F, upwards. So these two forces acting, one acting downwards, one acting upwards in a same line. So laws of flotation. A body will float in a liquid if the weight of the body is equal to the weight of the liquid. A liquid displaced by the immersed part of the body. When a body is put in a liquid, it will go down some part. So that part of the liquid will be spilled out of the container. That part of the how much part of the liquid is displaced, according to that, the three conditions will exist. We'll study about them. There are three conditions of the floating and sinking of the objects. These are: if buoyant force or upthrust exerted by the liquid is less than the weight of the object will sink in the liquid. Means buoyant force is less and weight is more. Automatically the body what you have put in the liquid, that will go down or sink in the liquid. That is F is less than W condition. If the buoyant force is equal to the weight of the object, that is the object will float inside the liquid. Buoyant force and weight are equal, then the object will float but inside the water, inside the liquid, sorry. If the buoyant force is more than weight of the object, then object will raise with some of its part outside of the liquid. So when the buoyant force is more, you try to lift the object which is thrown in the liquid. So that time some part of the object will be outside of the liquid, some part is inside, it is sinking. So that is the third condition. So these three cases exist. Then when a solid body is floating, then volume of sinking part of the body by total volume of the body is equal density of the solid by density of the liquid. If you bring this to this side, the density of the solid into volume of the body or solid, density into volume equal to mass. So volume of sinking part of the body is equal to mass of the liquid by density of the liquid. Okay, examples is of this. The balloon filled with light gas such as hydrogen, in that condition, the average density of the balloon and gas is less than that of the air. When the density is less than the air, then it will float or go upwards in the air, in the atmosphere. If ice float in a liquid, that is water, the weight of the water displaced by the body should be equal to the weight of the ice itself. So when ice is put in the water, that also replaces some water. So that replaced weight of the water is equal to the weight of the ice itself. Means ice density is